Hi YouTuber, this is Luai again. I have a new video I wanted to share it with you about the airbag for Elantra 2013, 14, 15 sedan 4-door. Okay, let me show you what I had before and what to do. Alright, so that car has a crash and the airbag light was showing on, so we took off the module underneath here. If maybe some of you they know how to take off the module, you have to take off that uh, panel and the other one, those trim panels. Then you take off this has two screw and you take it off, slide it out straight, and the module is behind over here down there. There is two nuts, one screw, 10 millimeter socket, and two harness. You take it off. So you send it to repair. I send it to repair. They did the flashing for the crash has on it, and they send it back to me. So I started in back, put everything back, start the car. Shouldn't show any airbag. The airbag was actually the steering airbag was deployed, and the seat belt also was stuck. So we had to replace the seat belt, and I had to replace the steering wheel airbag. Then once you install that module, for sure, if you want to do that, you have the battery cable has to be disconnected. Now I got the airbag lights again showing on dashboard. So put my scanner on, show me one of the codes that the passenger seat, the code that I do remember used to be B149000, 30 on the end. So this is talking about the passenger occupation PODS classification system, something like that. So you need it's showing that it's showing error. So I disconnect. There is a module underneath here, the car underneath the passenger seat. I'll show it to you from the other side. This is Elantra 2013. You have the same model of these cars, 13, 14, 15, 16. Under here, seat, there is a module. You see those two harness wire, one of them here going to the sensor of the weight over here, it's attached here, and there is another sensor in the back. So I took off that one, took the harness out. These two harness, I took them off out, and I reset, like take off the cable, the battery cable for like 1 minute or whatever, and I slide those harness back, put the battery cable back on, and then the codes change from B149000 to B1319, I believe so. So that's telling me to calibrate your module, passenger module, to calibrate that guy. So if you have a scanner, that's the one I use. I have a couple of them. So once you enter to the car details, and you don't go to the airbag. I used to go to the airbag. It is nothing, just reading and clearing code. So you have to go all the way down looking for something they called weight classification. So you go on that one, then there is the code, show you the code, clear code, and show you data. And if you go to the data, let us see what's gonna show me right now. Showing error status okay. Before was showing unknown, and the measure weight was around fluctuating a little bit, but now it's -0.4, which is I don't know, that's the calibration I needed. So where you do the calibration exactly, you go to the system tests, you press on, then system identification. If you go on that one, it show you what's the module you have. This is the part number of the module, because I took it off. It's exactly what's showing here. Now here where you have to go, WCS reset. So you have to hit on that one, then will show you WCS reset. Reset is intended to install the WCS ECU in order to operate correctly. The front passenger seat should be empty. So I'm not gonna do it again, but you hit on continue, and then it's gonna start showing you kind of weight, fluctuating weight start, and then there is a two bottom, continue and exit. So and then start showing here weights, what's the actual weight on the passenger seat, and tell you to make sure that it's empty and the SRS light is on. Something I think they are talking about that one, because this one was off. So and then the airbag light was on too. Sorry about that. No. Well, and then the weird things start acting, like show me many weights, different weights, 1.4, 1.9, 2.8, minus 1.7, whatever, and keep blinking, and like redo again, showing the different weights. And I used to press continue. Continue doesn't have to do nothing, but then I figure out every time the scanner trying to, that's the scanner is doing that different ways to try to reset. So every time it throw on the screen a weight, whatever it is, low, minus or high, you just have to click continue. Then when it show another one, and then click continue, just keep clicking continue every time, show different reading here until will tell you done, the reset will done. And then you go exit, and then you find that lights get disappear, and that one is come back on, and everything get back normally. I was struggling with that, how to reset it. I figured it out on my scanner. It wasn't know that my scanner have it, because I used to go to the airbag bottom, as I told you, the one it's over here. So it is not on the airbag. You have to go for something called, classification, weight classification. All right, guys. So it's very easy, simple. If you like that video, please hit the like button, and please share and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'm gonna keep, as I told you, posting more videos about different cars. So this is what I have today. I just want to share it with you. It's kind of easy, but a little bit in the beginning it's hard. All right, catch you later.